Hey guys, Model Man Frank here. Got an airplane, as you can see here on the workbench. Um, this is actually called the Parta, Partenavia P-68. And see it right here in the camera. Uh, I think I wrote about this plane. This plane was actually built, country of origin, Italy. It's a light utility transport power plant, the real one. 200 horsepower, Lycoming 1030 360 A1B, four-cylinder engines, horizontally opposed. Max speed is about 201 miles per hour for the real aircraft. It's a four-seater, and it's a pretty unique airplane, I'd say. I have this kit. There's a cowlings here, which is cool. I got it for free, so you know what that means. We're gonna build it. I made a video about me looking through the plans and things like that. I've been wanting to build it. Guess what? We're going to start building it. I'm finishing over with the Kiwi now, and once the Kiwi's done, I'm also starting on the Irwa 8, and we're building the P-40, and I'm also working on the Liberty Sport from Hell, and the behind me also the Bird Dog. That plane is far from me. So we're going to continue on with other builds also at the same time because my brain constantly going. So this one is pretty straightforward. It comes with everything. It's got all its gear. This is the bottom of the plane or the top of the. I think this is actually the top. It doesn't come with any plexi or anything like that. So it is a pretty straightforward build. It's got all the engine stuff. I got these are the fuselage halves. Um, Blocks of wood, and it's got the plans right here. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and start building it. Stay tuned. More videos to come on this one. You can find these plans on Outer Zone, and when you get them printed at either Office Space or Office Zone or any print shop, ask them to print them out at 200%. Okay, because that way it'll come out the way that the design is made. I've never built a twin engine aircraft before, so this is going to be a first for me. The reason I want to build this is because, as you have seen some videos coming out, I'm getting the plans ready for the tri-motor. I'm going to start building the tri-motor right now. I want to build this first so I can understand how a twin engine works. With the tri-motor, yes, it is going to be three engines. They're going to be smaller, and I got to really learn how to calibrate the engines and things like that. And with a twin engine, I really need to learn stuff like that immensely. So stay tuned. More to come on this build. We are going to get started. Um, so the first videos to come out will be me laying out the plans and showing you how everything's going to go. We'll do it right here on the workbench. I'll also have some videos of me putting it together on the phone and so on. Okay, so let's get building. And also on my live feeds at Saturday nights at 8 p.m. I'll update you how the build is going along if you haven't gotten video yet or anything like that. So go ahead and watch me on Saturday night. We will still be videos also. Okay. Talk to you guys later. Bottom Man Frank out.